twisted fruit, crudely carved into their torsos were the sigils of the demons Asmodeus and Lilith. The Reverend told me that in recent months there had been a revival of witchcraft. Many of his congregation had chosen the dark arts in favour of the Holy Book, in the mistaken credence that it would stop the dust from blowing. I spoke to one lawman who assured